Glamourous. This is Irish Hong once again, your technical educator for G&G Salon Professional Philippines. And today, we're going to do a demonstration, an actual demonstration on real human hair para po sa ating hair color removal shampoo. I'm going to show you the step-by-step procedure of our hair color remover shampoo. We have to analyze first, and you have to see the hair condition of your client. Hair has been pre-lightened using bleaching powder and 6% peroxide and colored with intense violet and intense green. Her texture is fine and a little bit sensitized. Our main purpose is to show you how this color remover shampoo works with this kind of hair. We will show you the best way to remove this kind of color, to correct color, and to wash off entirely the unwanted color pigment. Our main objective is to remove the color without sacrificing the hair condition. For best result, we recommend our hair color remover shampoo with our LPP lightening powder. Our mixing ratio is 1:2. 1 part of our LPP powder and 2 parts of our hair removal shampoo. So, ito na po yung ating mixing ratio. Tuturo ko po sa inyo kung paano ito timplahin. So, again, 1 part ng ating bleaching powder. So, maglalagay po muna tayo ng 10 ml at least. Or let's start with 20 ml. Of our LPP powder. For best result, guys, you have to use our LPP powder and we mix it with 2 parts of hair removal color shampoo. So 2 parts. Kung mapapansin nyo po, wala na po tayong hinalong iba. No? This is only hair color remover shampoo and the LPP powder that can remove entirely kung ano po yung unwanted pigment na gusto nyong tanggalin. It can also remove permanent and semi-permanent color, even uneven tones, and corrects the unwanted pigment sa hair ng clients. And wala po tayong nilagay dito na peroxide, which can cause further damage to the hair. So your hair is still safe with our mixture because it is infused with essential oils that can protect the hair condition of the hair prior to application. And this is how you're going to apply your hair color removal. Still ½ inch away from the roots using our LPP powder and hair color remover shampoo. The process will be 25 to 45 minutes depending on the hair color. But you can repeat the whole process once again until you reach the right undertone that you really want. Pwede pong ulitin 2 hanggang 3 beses without sacrificing the hair integrity. Again, this is how you apply the hair color remover and expect to remove everything. Kung saan po kadalasan galing yung buhok o kung ano po yung underlying pigment, dun lang din po siya babalik. And we process it from 25 minutes to 45 minutes. Ang advantage na ating hair color remover, wala na po tayong ginamit again na peroxide na pwedeng mag-cause pa ng further damage sa hair during the process of removing the color. We only use our LPP powder and our hair color remover shampoo is infused with essential oils such as grapeseed oil, tea tree oil, shea butter, and coconut oil to protect the hair integrity of the hair during the process of hair color removal. Our hair color remover shampoo can help you remove permanent color, semi-permanent color, and corrects uneven color tones. Fast as 5 minutes, you can see the difference, the lightening process. Yan. So, lumalabas na po yung underlying natin. This is the pre-lightened hair. You can see, wala pong, nakikita niyo po yung integrity ng hair, no? Wala pong nagbe-brittle dyan sa dulo kahit po naka-pre-lighten na ng ilang beses ang buhok ng ating model. So, babalik lang din po siya dun sa kung saan po siya nanggaling bago kulayan. Yung ating green, as early as 10 minutes, natanggal na po yung kanyang pigment. And ang ating violet took us 25 minutes to wash off the color. And this is actually ready for rinsing. Pero remind lang, if you want to repeat the whole process, of course you can do that. Because again, this is infused with essential oils that can protect the hair integrity. Our hair color shampoo removal process. As you can see, this is our intense violet pigment. And nakita nyo naman, this is so beautiful. Ang ganda ng underlying pigment niya. And this is our green. Now your client is ready for another glamorous color. As you can see, ang ganda ng pliability niya, still moving, and it's not brittle at all. So guys, for more info and other details that you want to know, or kung may mga question pa kayo regarding our products, please email us or follow us on our Instagram account and Facebook account so we can assist you with our demonstration and to experience this product in your salons. Thank you guys for